Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to mouse settings enhance pointer precision. To start, open the control panel from the search box. There, click on the mouse line. Now you will go to the tab pointer options. Here you must confirm that the box is checked, Enhance Pointer Precision. You can click on Apply and OK. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.